Hi, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we are going to cover the sound in Vietnamese. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so the sound is a stop sound. So when you pronounce the sound, there is no air pushing out from the mouth. And to pronounce the sound, tip of your tongue touches the gum ridge, and your tongue should be hard and tense. Remember that the sound is not an aspirate sound in Vietnamese, so don't push the air out of your mouth when you say the words with this sound. Now let's practice some words with the sound. To, ta, tư, tim, tai, tay, tiền, táo, tám, tắm, tập tễnh, tàn tật, tinh tường, tinh tinh, tiên tiến, tính toán, toàn tập, toàn tỏ tình với tâm. Now let's try to say it a little bit faster. Toàn tỏ tình với tâm. Tiến cắt tóc cho Tùng. Now let's try to say it a little bit faster. Tiến cắt tóc cho Tùng. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to download the textbooks, get the link in the description. Or if you want to make donation from me, so get the information in the description. Thank you for watching.